Should you choose Chase as your banking partner or not? Let's talk about in this video. So basically, JP Morgan Chase has been a very large bank into the US since many years, and there are a lot of branches, lot of locations where you can access the JP Morgan Chase branch. And personally, I also use the Chase for my banking as well as my debit and credit cards right now, and I think that is the reason which I wanted to make this review. I also tried to go to Wells Fargo and Bank of America, and that didn't quite work for me, so that two videos are coming next after this. So now let us talk about the pros and cons of actually going to a Chase bank. So the first pro is there are more than 4,700 branches and about 16,000 ATMs of Chase into the US. Second pro is that you get a very nominal fee on the savings account, and that can also be waived off. And third is they give a very good introductory offer. So when I opened my Chase account, I got a $200 of opening Chase bank account bonus. So I think these three factors really contribute to opening a Chase bank account. And now why you should not open up Chase bank account? Now let's talk about that. So the con is that you can actually waive off the fee of checking account. If you're a student, they usually don't take fees for the checking account, but if you are a working professional, for the checking account you must maintain a balance of $500 or more, or $1,500 or more for a given business day, starting business day. So I think that is a large amount for a lot of people to maintain like $1,500 in cash into the Chase bank account to waive off that nominal fee. Second con is that if you are taking out money from a non-Chase ATM, you will be getting a $3 transaction fees. For example, if you are going to Wells Fargo ATM and there is no Chase bank ATM, that is another con. There are not a lot of Chase bank ATMs in all of the states. I know there are, as I said in the previous section, that there are 16,000 ATMs, but they're not available in all of the states. So if there's a Wells Fargo and there's emergency and you go there and you take out $100, so $3 transaction fees will be there. The total amount will be coming as $103. So you are indirectly paying the bank $3 for taking out $100, which I do not think it's worth it. Another con of this bank account is that it has low interest rate on savings products. So for example, if you are opening a savings account into the Chase, there is very low interest rate, so that is not recommended. Also, there is very large amount of out of network ATMs on Chase. This happened personally to me. A Chase ATM was not working, so I think I'm in California right now, so that might be the case due to all of the flooding and rain going on. So I think these were all the cons of opening a bank account in Chase, and I would give it a 4 out of 5 review in opening a bank account. And as I told you, all the pros and cons, so weigh up for that. And Chase is also running an offer. I'll be putting the link in the description below, so you can go and check that out. And in the upcoming videos, we'll be talking about more credit cards, more debit cards, and also Wells Fargo and Bank of America. So yeah, इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.